in town, it nearly killed me. And it took away my looks. My skin got bumpy, but you won't see that in your books. I'm the virgin queen. I'll share my beauty regime. I'm the virgin queen. Come get ready with me. I use egg white as a base. It covers up my freckles. I paint it on my face. When I'm older it fills wrinkles. And then I use the rouge, which is white lead, and it makes me sick. It dries and eats my skin, 'cause like the men around here, it's quite toxic. My lips are rosy red from crushing up small insects. I bathe every 3 months. I don't like showing off my defects. I'm nearly ready, just the wig to go. Belladonna for my eyes. It's really poisonous, don't you